Hi, welcome to Waiterio. Today I'm going to show you how to change your subscription plan in Waiterio. First, open up the Waiterio app. You can do this in both mobile apps and on the web. Go to your restaurant tab. You will see your current plan here. Click subscription. Proceed to click change plan. Choose your desired plan by clicking the upgrade button. It will immediately take effect. You can verify by clicking plans. You will notice your plan changes and the order limits as well. If you're planning to downgrade, you can just go back to change plan. You can click the downgrade button and your plan will change immediately. You can check it by going back to the subscription page. If by any chance you're having difficulties with changing your subscription plan, you may contact our chat support. So there you have it, a short video on how to change your subscription plan. Thank you very much and have a great day.